and I'm with my team, producer Manjunath Karma and Kiran, my director Deepak, and my co-star Rudula, and all my executive producer. And media friends, thank you very much. Thank you very much for coming. This is actually in Kannada my sixth movie. First movie is Raju, first rank Raju. After that, my name is famous as Raju only. Second movie is Raju Kannada medium. We dubbed in Hindi also. This is my second attempt in Hindi. I got very good response in Hindi for Raju Kannada medium. I hope you guys enjoy this movie also. So thank you very much. I need your love and support for this movie, Raju James Bond. And today we released our one song, romantic song here only first actually. After next week we are releasing in Bangalore. February 14th is our movie releasing, Hindi and Kannada. Please bless me and support me. Thank you so much.
After that, we have a female lead, our debutant, Miss Mridula as Vidya.
Thank you. नमस्ते सब लोग, आप सब लोग आने के लिए धन्यवाद। और कन्नड़ मूवी हम लोग हिंदी में रिलीज कर रहे हैं करके जब सर ने बताया था, मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई। मेरी पहली हिंदी मूवी है, ऑब्वियसली बहुत खुशी हुई। और पहला रोमांटिक सॉन्ग हम लोगों ने वीडियो सॉन्ग इधर लॉन्च किया और खुशी हुई। और थैंक यू सो मच, सब लोग आके हम लोग को ब्लेस कर रहे हैं, सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं। और फरवरी 14 को हमारा मूवी रिलीज है, सब लोग आके सपोर्ट करके देखिए मूवी। थैंक यू।
Then we have our producers, please sir.
Hi, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Very good evening to you all and सब लोग को नमस्कार. मेरा नाम किरण बर्तू and मैं one of the co-producer of the movie. मेरा हिंदी भी उतना अच्छा नहीं है, मगर मैं कोशिश करता हूँ हिंदी में ही बात करने के लिए। So ये सब हिंदी में रिलीज करने का प्लान मेरा दोस्त और मेरा को-प्रोड्यूसर या मेन प्रोड्यूसर है मुझसे मंजुनाथ का प्लान है। सो आज हम सब आपके पास सामने हैं। सो ये प्रेस मीट अरेंज करने के लिए आई वुड थैंक मिस्टर चरण, थैंक यू वेरी मच ब्रदर। एंड आप सब लोग आने के लिए को भी धन्यवाद है। और ये सिनेमा मैं बहुत खुशी से और गर्व से बता सकता हूँ कि ये पूरा कोस्टर्स है ना, ये पहले राजू के बारे में बता देंगे। राजू इज गिवन इसका करियर में तो बहुत अच्छा मूवीज दिया है और वेरी सक्सेसफुल मूवीज दिया है। और इसका 3 या 4 सिनेमास इज अ सुपर हिट। और प्रॉबेबली अभी आप ये नेक्स्ट सिनेमा ये भी सुपर हिट हो जाएगा, क्योंकि ये ब्रांड राजू है ना कंटिन्यू हो रहा है। और इसका राजू इज वेरी लकी फॉर हिम एंड लकी फॉर अस आल्सो। सो ये सिनेमा का अभी को स्टार का बारे में बताना है तो ये हमारा सब को स्टार्स है ना, ये हमारा साउथ का कन्नड़ा सिनेमा का टॉप को स्टार्स है, वेरी बिग को स्टार्स एक्चुअली। और सब लोग हमारा सिनेमा में काम किया है और हमने 15 या 20 दिन लंदन में शूट किया हो और 2 सॉन्ग शूट किया है। और आपको संजीत हेगड़े पता होगा, संजीत हेगड़े अभी वो सिंगर है, वो साउथ इंडिया से हमारा बैंगलोर से है। अभी सोनू निगम जिसके साथ भी एक सॉन्ग रिकॉर्ड किया था और ब्रह्मास्त्र में केसरिया सॉन्ग वो कन्नड़ा वर्जन वही गाना वही गाया था। सो वो भी इसमें गाया है। और ये सिनेमा एक कॉमेडी और एक थ्रिलर भी है और एक सोसाइटी को भी एक मैसेज भी है। So what I would personally feel is, well, this cannot be branded as one language movie. ये हम ऐसा नहीं ब्रांड कर सकता है कि साउथ इंडिया का, इसलिए क्या है कि मेरा मंजुनाथ ने मेरा दोस्त को क्या किया है कि चलो ये काम करेंगे, हम दूसरे लैंग्वेजेस में तो नहीं हिंदी में तो ट्राई करेंगे, क्योंकि इट कैन बी टेकन इन हिंदी ऑल्सो। ऐसा बॉलीवुड नहीं है मगर नॉर्थ इंडिया, सो बेसिकली इट कैन बी टेकन नॉर्थ इंडिया। सो वो हमने ट्राई कर रहा है, कोशिश कर रहा है। आप सब लोग, मीडिया लोग, थैंक यू सो मच मीडिया दोस्त लोग, आप भाई जो ऐसा है आपका ही, इट्स ओनली रन्स बिकॉज ऑफ यू ऑल पीपल। आप सब लोग का सपोर्ट चाहिए, प्लीज सपोर्ट करो। और ये सिनेमा हिट होने के बाद हम प्रॉमिस करेंगे अगले बार आएंगे, इधर ही और एक पिक्चर बनाएंगे और इधर से हम सब पे जाएंगे। So please support us and what else? You guys have any questions? Oh, okay, fine then. Thank you. बाद में बात कर देंगे।
Thank you so much.
And I will give it to Manjunath Vishwakarma. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone, and namaskar. First of all, I want to thank all the media people and the supporter of for this movie. I want to heartily thanks and welcome to this event. ये जो मूवी हम लोग पहले हमारा ओन लैंग्वेज में कन्नड़ा में बनाया था, जब दीपक और मेरा पार्टनर किरण और राजू ने मिलके मुझे एक स्टोरी सुनाया था अभी, तो अच्छा था। एंड देन हम लोगों ने सोचा इसको अच्छा बनाएंगे बोल के कन्नड़ा में एक अच्छा मूवी हमने बना दिया। और दो सॉन्ग जो है ना हम लोग लंदन में शूट किया, थोड़ा सीन भी लंदन में शूट किया हुआ है। उसके बाद हम लोगों ने सोचा इसको जो है ना हिंदी में भी करेंगे बोल के। हिंदी का मतलब देन वी कैन डिस्ट्रीब्यूट अक्रॉस इंडिया एंड ऑल्सो वर्ल्ड वाइड भी जा सकते हैं, सबको दिखा सकते हैं बोल के। एंड वी हैव सम प्लान्स फॉर द फ्यूचर में। अभी कर्मा ब्रोस प्रोडक्शन जो लंदन का यूनिट है, तो हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं अलग मूवी जो है, नेक्स्ट मूवी जो है हम लोग बॉलीवुड से कुछ मूवी बनाने के लिए और पैन इंडिया भी बनाने के लिए प्लान है हमारा। तो सोचे ये मूवी को पहले हिंदी में करके देखें और कैसा रिस्पॉन्स है, हम लोग का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है, तो बोल के हम लोगों ने ये मूवी हिंदी में भी किया। एंड मैं आपको ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ, ये मूवी एक कंप्लीट पैकेज है, लव स्टोरी है, थ्रिलर भी है, एक्शन भी है। और दोनों जो है ना, राजू है बहुत अच्छा काम किया इस मूवी में, और हमारा एक्ट्रेस भी है वो भी बहुत अच्छा काम किया हुआ। एंड डायरेक्टर ने जो इनके साथ जो इनका टैलेंट जो निकाला है ना, बहुत अच्छा और खूबी से निकाला है। तो आई शुड डेफिनेटली थैंक हिम एंड अप्रिशिएट हिम दैट फॉर हिज हार्ड वर्क एंड इस मूवी में जो काम किया, आई शुड डेफिनेटली थैंक दीपक। और दीपक के पास और एक स्क्रिप्ट भी है, बहुत अच्छा शूट करने वाला, लंदन में शूट करने के लिए और बॉलीवुड का जो बड़े एक्टर्स को डाल के करने के लिए एक प्रोजेक्ट भी है, हम लोग वो करने के लिए प्लान कर रहा है। तो शायद इस साल में भी हम लोग उसको शुरू करने के लिए सोच रहे हैं। एंड अदर पार्टीज हमारा मूवी में एक आइटम सॉन्ग है, हम लोग सोच रहे थे किसको ले बोल के। देन वी गॉट नेम अक्षदा पटेल।
We have Miss Akshada with us, guys. Please एक तालियां हो जाए उनके लिए।
She is a Mumbai girl and she has done beautifully in this movie. Definitely, next time we'll release her song as well. बहुत अच्छा काम किया इसने। So definitely, I thank Akshada Patel. So that's it. हम लोग मेहनत किया हुआ है, but I need all your support from the Bollywood. And then please support our team and thank you all.
Thank you Mr. Vishwakarma, thank you Mr. Vadu.
एक बात भूल दिया मैंने अक्षता पाटिल के बारे में बताने के लिए। I'm sorry. She has done a wonderful job. Wonderful job, and she's so much dedicated. I pray to God that she get back whatever she was before, and she do the best of the best, because she has given her whole heart and soul for that song, and we will release that song too, and not now, probably in the later stage. बहुत अच्छा काम किया है उसने। Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best and good luck.
Sorry, एक बात बोलना भूल गया था मैंने। इधर ये हिंदी को करने के लिए जो मेरे साथ सपोर्ट दिया है ना, राजीव है, he is the director of quite a few movies in Hindi, but he has helped me to complete this project in Hindi. So I thank him, and I want to be part of his future things. So thanks. And Karan is our Charan, if he can come forward. He is our coordinator in Mumbai for everything. I thank thank Charan also for organizing all this and coordinating. Thank you, Charan, and thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And I'll come back to our director, the captain of the ship, Mr. Deepak Madhuvanalli.
Thank you. So, good evening everyone, and thanks for coming. First of all, Happy New Year to all. This is the only drawback of speaking at the last, because there won't be any left thing to speak. मैंने समझा कि प्रोड्यूसर सर ने वो अक्षता के बारे में छोड़ दिया, लाइक मैं बात करूँगा, वो भी बात करेगा, और राजू को पकड़ा, राजू के बारे में मैं बात करूँगा, सर ने वो भी मेमोरी करके राजू के बारे में भी बात कर दी. So really I don't know what to speak now. So पहले coming to the dubbed version, see we dubbed in like April May I guess here in Bombay में. वो हमारा राजू है ना, वो हीरो का संकेत मात्रे ने वॉइस दिया, वॉइस ओवर संकेत मात्रे वो gives like for Tamil Dalpati Vijay and Allu Arjun Dal. So he gave the voice to Raju character. He has done a fabulous job. The entire movie has done a really fabulous job. And the villain, the Shahbaz Khan, the senior artist of Bollywood, the veteran actor, he gave the voice to the villain. So for that entire process, Mr. राजीव ने बहुत हेल्प किया हमको, वो स्क्रिप्ट करने में और वो वॉइस को ट्रांसलेशन करने में और डबिंग आर्टिस्ट को अरेंज करने में. सो वापस चला गया. सो 16 years अगेन फिल्म के सिलसिले में डायरेक्टर बन के बॉम्बे में आना पड़ा. सो आई होप द बॉम्बे वेलकम्स मी इन अ गुड वे थ्रू दिस राजू जेम्स बॉन्ड. So it was very overwhelming listening to your like cheering for motion poster. Thanks for that. बहुत अच्छा लगा वो सुन के पीछे से वो आवाज. So we feel so good, like what you say, like for the art people, the cheering, the claps, the sound, that only makes us so good about it. And producers के बारे में बात किया तो आप देख सकते हैं. So visually कोई भी इन्होंने compromise नहीं किया है. So it has come out so well. So you can witness that in both motion poster as well as the song thing. And as Guru Nandan, our so-called alias Raju, the famous brand name Raju. So I'm sure it will be a hat trick, as our anchor Ishita said. So it will be a hat trick from our Raju. So he has done a very fabulous job. So he has done action, song and all. It's a very, very fabulously has done. And our debutant Mridula as well. So even if you watch the film, you won't feel like she's a debutant. So she has done a very good job. And coming to my technicians, like Anup Sreen has done the music. All 4 songs has composed very nicely, and even the background score. So the visuals were like by Manohar Joshi. They are like top technicians in Bangalore. And in Hindi, the music was arranged by B. Show. So even he has done a good job. This song is sung by Altamash Faridi. So yeah, in February 14th we are releasing cinema, and over the period we are releasing Akshata's song. Like that is one whole dance number. Like you can't sit on a chair simply. The whole 4 minutes it is like that foot tapping and that dance number. So she has pulled it off very nicely. Very nice, Akshata. Like you have to watch it actually. It is full of energy. Yeah, it has full of energy, that song. So, and we are going to release the trailer as well. So one by one we are gonna meet oftenly. So February 14th is our cinema release. We are releasing parallelly in Kannada and Hindi as well on February 14th. And this song is gonna release on 11th morning in Kannada and in Hindi as well. Thank you. If you have any questions, you can. And one second, before that, Akshata will have a few words about our film and team.
Namaste everyone. Thank you so much for coming. I'm very, very, very grateful to be on this song, and I really like this song and the song energy. Of course, I have put so much energy and so much goodness of the song. But song, if you hear the song, it is amazing. You can't sit on chair and just listen the song. You have to dance on this song. It's something like that. And I was really Kumar sir, Kiran sir, the hero and the heroine. We had a great time while we are shooting. We shot, where we shot exactly? I forgot. Sandur in Canada. It was amazing. The location was nice. We had a night shooting for 3 days. It was amazing, and I'm really looking forward to see this song. Thank you everyone.
So now,
Thank you so much.
now we are opening the house for question answers, and we all welcome you to Bombay. And I'm passing on the mic to.
Hi, well, firstly, my name is Mayur from Beyond Bollywood. Welcome to you all, everybody. I have two questions for Guru Nandan. Firstly, obviously, you're still very young in your career, and touchwood, I think as they have said that you've given plenty of hits, and this name has stuck with you, Raju. But do you plan to have this name for every film of yours in future?
So no, not exactly. Actually, but this year I have 3 movies. I'm planning to do a Hindi version also. So not Raju is no more Raju. This is maybe Raju James Bond is as a Raju is the last name. Yeah.
Okay, and I was just reading about you. There was this story that I think you, as a child, you ran away to Bombay to become an actor.
Yeah, actually.
So, I mean, if you were in class 8, you might have been just like, what, 12 or 13 years old?
Yes, not Mumbai, it's Bangalore.
Okay.
So my hometown is from Bangalore, so 250 kilometers, Chikmagalur. So 9th standard I came to Bangalore, so becoming an actor.
Can you tell about that time, if you can recall, like?
No, it's a whole story. Because I'm studying, that is my acting is my childhood dream. When 9th standard I came, randomly I came to Bangalore, then I got back to Chikmagalur. Again, after some time, I came to Bangalore, acted in few serials, acted in small roles, movies also. Then I got first time Raju's first movie that become hit. Then you know the story.
But as a child, when you ran away from home,
Yeah.
come to Bangalore, and can you recall something about that experience? Who did you meet? And because it's quite a dangerous thing, for a child to run away from home.
Yeah, that is very difficult actually. That time, because I wanted to become an actor. That time was because I'm watching all Kannada movies. I wanted to become an actor. Randomly, I came to Bangalore. Then I didn't get any chance. That time. Then my parents are searching actually. Then I gone back to Chikmagalur. I said I continue my studies. Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you.
This is called destiny, guys. This is what made him a star, a shining star, right?
Thank you.
Hi, on this side. Hi, this is Astha from Awesome TV. First of all, congratulations. I am really liking everything what's shown on the screen. My question goes out to Mridula. What was it like working with Raju James Bond, and how excited or nervous are you even for the Hindi version?
Thank you for the question. It was really exciting to work with Raju and then our director Deepak sir. The way he, he never thought, made me feel that I am new. So that's the way I like about the whole team. Just not about the newness. It's like जिस तरह उन्होंने मुझे प्यार दिया और मुझे अपना समझ के जो सिखाया, जो भी सिखाया, of course हिंदी में जब डब कर रहे थे तब भी बहुत खुशी होती है मुझे कि मेरा मूवी हिंदी में भी डब हो रहा है करके. और yes, Thank you.
My follow-up question, Mr. Gurunandan sir. You tell me about your excitement. That how is it?
I'm so very excited. I'm so happy also because my Raju James Bond Hindi version is released in Mumbai. So I'm very excited. Thank you.
Hi Gurunandan sir, this is Surya from Bollywood Crazies. You are coming from Kannada film industry, and I'm happy that you are releasing in Hindi version also. It's a big day today, you know. Nama Yash birthday is there, like so. Of course, everyone is inspired by him, and Kannada industry has come a long way. So, is there some pressure on you also to make a pan-India hit or give a pan-India hit after KGF and other big films, Kantara, and now Raju James Bond? What do you think?
Actually, we try to give a good product. Okay, hit and flop, everything is in your hand. Okay, so movie is very good. You should watch. You should make a hit.
One more thing is that you have played the Raju character earlier also in your films. So is this film has already released in Kannada and you are releasing right now, or it is simultaneously releasing?
Simultaneously releasing February 14th. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you. Kannada and Hindi.
Okay. I have one question for director Deepak sir.
Deepak.
Yeah. दीपक सर, आपने कहा कि आप इसके पहले भी मुंबई आ चुके हैं, कुछ साल आपने काम किया स्टिंट, उसके बाद वापस आप होम टाउन गए, तो वो जाने का सफर क्यों आपने चुना वापस से, फिर वहाँ से एक नया स्टार्ट किया, ये क्यों आखिर? ये थोड़ा सा इस बारे में अगर बता सके आप।
No, आज का दीपक होता तो नहीं जाता। उस समय like I was with my I was with my director. That time I was an assistant director. So we were supposed to do one film in Bollywood, like in association with Sunil Shetty's Popcorn Motion Pictures, as I said. So I was here for 4 months for that project. Then we did some pre-production and all. Then unfortunately that project didn't take off. So 4 months I was at Popcorn Motion Pictures and we were staying in Goregaon. So the office was in Char Bungalow. So that time, that's the first exposure for me to the Hindi industry. But that time I was so into my director, and as he went, so even I went with him back to the Bangalore and we started doing Kannada films and all. As I told, in today's Deepak I wouldn't have gone back to the Bangalore.
So whether it's Shadu Bobule and Achyut Kumar sir, they are also big celebrities. We want them to also come to Mumbai. Are you planning to make them come to Mumbai with the trailer launch or some other?
Yeah, definitely we do have plans. So we have to see their schedules because you know that they are so much busy artists in like multi-language they will be doing the films. So it's so hard to get them on board all together. So definitely if that plan is there, if it works, so it will be great for us.
Yeah, मृदुला जी आपसे सवाल है, कैसा लगा आपको काम करके हमारे गुरुनंदन सर के साथ, और क्या लगता है हिंदी में फिल्म आने से फिल्म को और एक अच्छा एक्सपोजर मिलेगा और ये फिल्म ज़्यादा बढ़िया तरह से पैन इंडिया चलेगी, क्या कहना है आपका?
मुझे बहुत खुशी हुई गुरुजी के साथ काम करके और ऑफ कोर्स जब हिंदी में रिलीज हो रहा है तो एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी ज़्यादा है और बहुत एक्साइटेड भी हूँ मैं क्योंकि हम लोग हिंदी में डब किया है करके, और मेरा पहला सॉन्ग जो हिंदी में आया है वो भी देख के बहुत खुशी होती है।
The one who played the James Bond at the first time. So even I'm not inspired from any that Hollywood like Pierce Brosnan or the recent Bond actor. So we are so inspired from our own James Bond, like Mr. Dr. Rajkumar.
So then, like, why name your film have James Bond in your title then?
Now that you have to watch the film, why it is James Bond. Now if I tell no, that curiosity will be revealed.
So will the young cast, would they like to talk about their favorite James Bond?
There's definitely no other person than our great Annauru. We all lovably and with all respect we call him Annauru. Annauru means Bade Bhai. So he is Dr. Rajkumar sir. So he is the best, and he will be the one and only James Bond for all of us. And that would be probably, I think, it's all. I think all answers are right. Yeah, it's all the same. Yeah.
Okay, no worries. Nakshana, my question for you is, आपके लिए एक आइटम सॉन्ग की परिभाषा क्या है? क्या मूल्य होता है उसका एक फिल्म में?
Thank you so much for the question. I really like this because item song for me, dancing is for me worship. And when I heard about this item song, when I got this song, I was like, okay, chalo jaate dekhte kya karna hai. When I heard this song and when I saw the moment, the hook step, actually you should see the hook step. It is so amazing when I got the whole song, all the 2 days when we really showed the song for night shooting, while they're going for the 3rd day, I literally had tears in my eye. I was like, I love the song. Please let me know whenever it will be released. So I was so happy to work with Kumar sir, Kiran sir, Deepak sir, and the choreographer. They have actually directed such a well and choreographed such a well the song, and I love it. Thank you so much.
आपको नहीं लगता कि अब शायद समय आ गया है कि हमें, क्योंकि ये सुनने में बड़ा, like personally if you ask me, I don't like the word item, or it should be just song या उस हिसाब से या
No, I don't think so. ये सबकी देखने का अलग-अलग नजरिया होता है. Okay, so performer and an actress is different. The performer, she is also an actress. It's just that she is doing an item song. So item song is not a bad thing. कि मतलब पूरे मूवी में एक सॉन्ग ही वो होता है जो पूरी मूवी की जान बढ़ा देता है. आपने सबसे हमारे फेमस इंडिया में सबसे हिट कौन है? नूरा फतेही जी. She is so amazing. So उनके लिए she have done so many item songs. तो उनके लिए ऐसा नहीं बोलेंगे कोई कि ये item song क्यों कर रहे हैं. So for me, I have done many item songs in Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Bollywood. But in the Kannada, I did this my 3rd song, and I am always looking forward for the item song. मुझे especially lead से ज़्यादा मुझे ना song करने में अच्छा लगता है. It's like kick मिलती है.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Any more questions?
सबसे पहले आपको पूरे टीम को बहुत बहुत बधाई हो नए साल के शंकर भाई पूछो
सर. सबसे पहले हैप्पी न्यू ईयर सबको, पूरी टीम को. नाम ही इतने प्यारा है, जेम्स बॉन्ड. नाम से लग रहा है कि मार धार वाले पिक्चर है. पिक्चर की बेसिकली जो थीम मैसेज है, क्या मैसेज आप पिक्चर में देना चाहते हैं? हमारे बॉलीवुड में भी आप लोग फर्स्ट डेब्यू में क्या मैसेज देना चाहते हैं आप लोग?
Question anyone can answer, right? Fine. आप thank you very much for the question. आप सिनेमा के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं, मैसेज के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. एक बेसिकली एक मूवी एक कॉमेडी है, कॉमेडी जॉनर है, एंड सिनेमा का मैसेज है, ये सोशल मैसेज है. एवरीबडी, सब लोग बोलते हैं कि हमारा सिनेमा में एक या कुछ ना कुछ सोशल मैसेज होगा करके. हमारे भी एक एजुकेटेड गरीब लोग का और एजुकेटेड ग्रेजुएट बेसिकली उसका प्रॉब्लम क्या है और फाइनेंशियल बैंकिंग उसके बारे में तो क्या है करके एक अच्छा मैसेज है. इसके साथ में क्या है कि सिनेमा का पूरा कॉमेडी जॉनर है और एक्शन भी है और रोमांस भी है और सोशल मैसेज.
रिलीज डेट आपने 14 फरवरी क्यों चुना आप लोगों ने?
14 फरवरी आप 14 फरवरी को क्या बोलते हैं? वैलेंटाइन. बोलिए ना भाई.
सर सबको पता है, बच्चे को पता है वैलेंटाइन.
अच्छा दिन है ना, इसलिए अरे मकर संक्रांति प्यार का दिन है, सबको प्यार बताएंगे बस.
Thank you so much. Best of luck for the team. Thank you
very much. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So my name is Artesh and I'm from Bollywood Helpline.
I'm sorry sir?
Artesh, my name is Artesh.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm from Bollywood Helpline. So basically my question is for Deepak sir, you have been already in Bollywood, right? You have worked in Bollywood. So is there any product of Bollywood you like to remake for Kannada industry? Like any masterpiece or movie you want to remake for the Kannada peoples?
सडनली दिमाग में नहीं आ रहा है, लेकिन एक फिल्म बहुत मुझको रीमेक करने का मन बहुत था, ए जेंटलमैन सिद्धार्थ का. So really I love that film. Like when I watched it, I actually, in fact, I rewrote that in Kannada, the entire film, for one actor. So I don't want to reveal that to you. उस समय में वो था, I was so serious about that film to remake in Kannada. But after that, like, it didn't happen and it went away.
Is another question is generalized. Anyone can answer that. Like we have seen Telugu industry doing very good. Like we have seen lots of movie doing wonders. हिंदी में डेब्यू होने के बाद भी फिर ओवरऑल बात कर रहा हूँ मैं. So what the Kannada industry is doing? Like we saw KGF, we saw Kantara. Next what? What are motives? Like क्या vision है mainly for the industry का?
Why not? देखिए भाई, हम किसी दूसरे सिनेमा को देख के ऐसा नहीं है. हम क्या है कि हमारा सिनेमा for every person, for every producer, for every director, actor, their movie is big, great for them. For us, our movie is big, very big. So we want the movie to reach to that height. So हम सबका dream है वो, बस.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sir.
Any questions, anyone?
No.
अभी आप लोगों ने जस्ट शिवन्ना सर का नाम लिया, जेम्स बॉन्ड का जब नाम आया तो
Sorry, sir. उसका sir father का. Father.
Yeah, I got it. So is there any plan to work with Shivanna sir?
Director or producers?
Director Saboo.
Yeah, of course. See, it's like household name. Like if you ask any director in Kannada, nowadays if you ask any Tamil directors also, they say Shivanna's name. So even of course in South, anybody, you pick any director, he wants to work with him. Same as me.
Before we wind up, Varun, my question to you is, since you're here in Mumbai to promote the film and it's releasing on the 14th, Raju has been a very super hit terminology when it comes to Bollywood films, be it Shah Rukh Khan Saab or Dilip Saab or Raj Kapoor Saab. How proud are you to share the screen name, and what is that you're carrying away back home from Bollywood?
So much of comparing the two legends, because Raju is very lucky name actually. Raju only Raja, because first movie only, first time Raju, in that movie has become so hit. After that, everyone calling in Karnataka Raju only. So many people doesn't know my name only, Guru Nandan. Everyone calls Raju only, everyone are recognizing only Raju only. So Raju is very lucky name for me. Thank you.